Welcome back everyone, Evolution Fitness. In this video we are going to see the best and effective abs routine. The total time required for this abs workout is just 5 minutes. Total number of workout is 10. We are going to perform 10 workouts without rest in between each workout. Each workout time period lasts for 30 seconds. The first workout is twist and cycle. This workout is a combination of twisting your torso and at the same time performing the cycling movement with the legs. Cycling movement can be done by sliding your legs. By sliding your leg on the floor, you will get some more balance in the movement. After finishing this workout for 30 seconds, move on to the next. The next workout is also a combination of two movements. In this, we are going to come up and down while doing the cycling movement. Be balanced and stable during this workout. As it requires a lot of stability, activate your core and control the movement. The next workout is cross leg crunches. In this workout, cross one leg and start doing the crunches. Repeat it to another leg. After 30 seconds, move on to the next workout. The fourth workout is lateral leg raise. This works very well for your oblique muscles. Fold your leg which is on the floor and start movement with another leg. Squeeze your oblique while raising the leg and avoid head movements. Repeat the movement on both the sides. The next workout is dead bug swing. In this workout, hold in dead bug position and make a swing movement by controlling your abs muscle. Throughout the entire swing, hold and keep tension in your abs. Change the leg position and repeat it to another side. The sixth workout is chest and leg raise. In this workout, combine two movements, that is raise your chest and the leg at the same time and go down. While starting this workout, contract your abs and start the movement. Have a slow, controlled and muscle contracted movement. After doing this for 30 seconds, move on to the next workout which is sit and scissor. In this workout, sit by slight lean back position and keep your hands on the floor for support. Start the scissor movement and engage your abs. You can feel full contraction in the abs if you do it in a controlled manner. After 30 seconds, the next workout is leg open and close. Raise your chest up and activate your abs by contracting it and start the movement by opening and closing your legs. Always don't forget to keep your back flat and avoid injuries. Next is cross cycling, which is my favorite one because this targets the oblique as well as the abs. In the slight lean back and seated position, turn your pelvis one side and start the movement. Repeat it to another side. Concentrate on your obliques and abs muscle by keeping the tension in the abs throughout the workout. The last one is well-known plank. Do the plank for 30 seconds. After finishing the plank, you would have completed 5 minutes intense abs workout. That's all for today's abs workout. We'll see you in another workout. Have a happy and healthy lifestyle.